Coccus cacti, Allen's keynotes. Hemorrhages in which there are large black clots, specially found in cases in which kidney and uterus are affected. Whooping cough, in which every spell of cough ends with expectoration of clear, ropey mucus hanging in great long strings from the mouth. On waking in the morning, the child is immediately seized with a coughing fit. The cough rags the whole system. Face looks purple red when the cough is on. Protracted bronchial catarrh remaining after whooping cough. Violent, intolerable itching in larynx. Violent tickling in larynx. Least exertion causes lassitude and tendency to perspire or cough. Words during exercise. Sensation as if a foreign body were lodged between the eyelid and the eye. Frequent and great desire to urinate. Frequent urination. Frequent and copious urination. Urine being clear as water. Inflammation of the labia. Menses too early, too profuse and lasting too long. Hemorrhage from the uterus with passage of large clots which escape when quiet or when getting up to pass water. The bronchial tubes are loaded with mucus. Bruised pain in small of back and region of the kidneys. Coccus cacti, Poricmateria medica, Cochineal. The clinical application of the symptoms of this remedy place it among the medicines for spasmodic and whooping coughs and catarrhal conditions of the bladder, spasmodic pains in kidneys with visceral tenesmus, anuria, anasarca, ascites. Mind, early morning or afternoon sadness. Head, suboccipital soreness, worse after sleep and exertion, headache, worse from lying on back, better with the head high. Dull pain over right eye in morning, sensation of a foreign body between upper lid and eyeball. I repeat, sensation of a foreign body between upper lid and eyeball. Distress from cinders lodged in eye. Respiratory, constant hawking from enlarged uvula, coryza with inflamed fauces, accumulation of thick viscid mucus which is expectorated with great difficulty, tickling in larynx. Sensation of a crumb behind larynx, must swallow continually, brushing teeth causes cough. Fauces very sensitive, suffocative cough, worse, first walking with tough white mucus which strangles. Spasmodic morning cough, whooping cough attacks end with sensation of a crumb behind larynx, must swallow continually, brushing teeth causes cough. Fauces very sensitive, suffocative cough, worse, first waking with tough white mucus which strangles. Spasmodic morning cough. Whooping cough attacks end with vomiting of this tough mucus. Chronic bronchitis complicated with gravel, large quantities of albuminous, tenacious mucus are expectorated. Walking against wind takes breath away. Heart, sensation as if something were pressed toward the heart. Urinary, urging to urinate, brick red sediment, urinary calculi, hematuria, uritis, and uric acid, lancinating pains from kidneys to bladder, deep colored, thick urine, dysuria. Female, menses too early, profuse, black and thick, dark clots with dysuria. Intermittent menstruation, flow only in evening and at night. Large clots escape when passing water. Labia inflamed. Modalities, worse, left side, after sleep, touch, pressure of clothing, brushing teeth, slightest exertion, better walking. Relationship, compare Cantharis cactus, Sarsaparilla. Dose, lower triturations.